Welcome to our podcast where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss the discovery of 120,000-year-old human footprints in Saudi Arabia. A new study has found that about 120,000 years ago, a small group of Homo sapiens were present for a brief time to drink and seek food at a shallow lake in Saudi Arabia. The movements of these people were decoded by researchers in a study published in Science Advances on Thursday after finding ancient human and animal footprints in the Nefud Desert. It further said that this group may have hunted the large mammals, but was not present there for long and likely to have used the watering hole to go for a long journey. The Arabian Peninsula that we know today has vast, arid deserts, did not provide a favorable environment to early people and animals. But studies in the last 10 years have shown that this was not always the scenario. Due to natural climate variation, the place was much greener and humid. Co-author Richard Clark Wilson of Royal Holloway said, "At certain times in the past, the deserts that dominate the interior of the peninsula transformed into expansive grasslands with permanent freshwater lakes and rivers." Matthew Stewart of the Max Planck Institute for Chemical Ecology, Germany, the paper's first author, said the footprints were found on this PhD fieldwork in 2017 after the erosion of overlying sediments at an ancient lake known as Al-Athar. He also added, "Footprints are a unique form of fossil evidence in that they provide snapshots in time, typically representing a few hours or days, a resolution we tend not to get from other records." That's all from this podcast. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.